How it's going, everyone? Today I'm going to make very short review, very short video for all of you who in a rush and want to have some knowledge about the 3 days challenge by Jonathan Montoya. Yes, so a few things I like about this program. Number one, it's very straightforward. It's only 3 days, which in total it's about 3 hours. It's like hour a day, as you can see here. Okay, so it's about 50 minutes, maybe 1 hour a day, three hours in total. And compared with other challenges that they keep the days, once you do one day number one and then they don't open the day number two until tomorrow and so on. Here you just get all in bunch and you can do it very fast, very easy, very straightforward. The second thing I like, it's about there's no fluff, there's no BS. It's very beginner friendly. So if you have no idea about affiliate marketing, it's a very good product to start with. You will get everything you need to get started and to run your business in a matter of days. It doesn't mean that you will make your first commission in a matter of days, but you can start and be up running. The third thing that I like is if you want to promote a affiliate product in make money online niche, so you can promote his own product. He's paying 50% commission. He's having another product which is like $1,500, and if you sell one of this product, you make $700, which means you need two sales to make $1,500. Third part of average salary. Pretty impressive. And that's it, guys. You can try it. It's $7. If to mention one more thing, it's only $7. Yep. You will have, of course, like every other funnels, you will have to upsells, but you don't have to take them. You can just stick to $7 if you wish. And yes, you will get everything you need for $7. So I will leave the link below if you want to test it, and you can comment any question you have. I will personally answer you, and see you then. Good luck, guys.